Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to buy crypto on Binance. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to buy crypto on Binance, first make sure you're logged into your Binance account. Once you're logged into your account, from the home page, choose the Buy Crypto button at the top left-hand corner and you'll be able to see lots of options displayed on the screen. Simply select how you'd like to buy your crypto. You can choose card deposit, credit or debit card option, P2P trading, cash balance, or third-party payment. Let me click on the credit or debit card button. And now, simply enter the fiat amount that you'd like to spend in the first box and the system will automatically display the amount of crypto you can get from that amount. Now, click on continue. Soon after you click on continue on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and follow the instruction, choose your preferred payment method, and you'll be able to buy cryptocurrency quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.